All right, guys, it's time for another 2020 Leaf autographed football jersey from Leaf. So, chance to pull some big names out of here. Dude, we've been on fire so far. We already last week and pulled a Dan Marino out of one of these boxes. You've got Brady and Tua and some others in here. So a ton of big names that you can find. So let's see if we can pull one of those. So Chris L., you've got the Falcons, the Bills, the Browns, the Colts, the Jets. Curtis has got the Texans. David F. with the Lions. Eric, you've got the Ravens. James with the Chiefs. Jean-Philippe, you've got the Bucks. Jennifer G. with the Raiders. Joe G. with the Patriots. Cal, you've got the Steelers. Kenneth with the Cowboys. Lance with the Cardinals and Bears. Luis has got the Dolphins. Mitch with the Vikings. Quentin's got the Rams. Rick M. with the Bengals, Broncos, Packers, Chargers, Saints, and Seahawks. Sean's got the 49ers. Travis with the Titans. And then Daniel, you've got the Panthers, Jags, Giants, and the Eagles. All right, I hate all of you guys. Highest one, somebody said 44. Eric, come on, man. But the lowest I got was 34. Actually, the first one to guess was actually the correct one. Randy, it was 42. I was hoping you guys would help my pride a little bit. Say like 25 or 28 or something. George, thank you, man. George going 31. So it is correct. 42 on Friday. All right, Randy, so I'll hook you up with a Prism Pal. Dude, this is crazy, man. We are rolling out of these Leaf boxes. We pulled a Tua, an Alabama Tua, which until he does something in the pros is probably better than the Miami Tua. But it is going to be going to Miami. So, Luis, that is you. Dan Marino last week, a Tua this week. Beckett authenticated. I know, man. I was hoping for in the 20s. Nobody said in the 20s. I'm feeling old. All right, Luis, congratulations. We'll get that jersey in the mail. Memorabilia stuff's on fire tonight. So we'll do another of these coming up next weekend. So go check those out. They'll end Saturday night. We'll break it here next Sunday.